Hi, I'm Leon from Barn Furniture in Van Nuys, California, and I'm here today to show you some of our amazing tables. Now, we've been making tables for over 75 years, solid American hardwoods, quarter sawn white oak, Pennsylvania black cherry wood, American black walnut, and we do a bar top finish, waterproof, alcohol proof, wipe it up with a damp cloth. We do color matching if you want to coordinate with your floors or your kitchen cabinets. If you want to use these for desks, we build them in any size. Now, we make a lot of narrow tables because those are hard to find. Now, these are 30 by 36, 36 by 36, 30 by 48, and 30 by 60 are normally in stock. So you can come in, pick one of these tables up. You can make an L-shaped desk out of taking a pair of tables, but we will build it to your dimensions, or you can come in to our store, which has been here for over 75 years. 6206 Sepulveda Boulevard, Van Nuys, California, 91411. Call us toll free at 888-302-2276, or visit us on the web at www.barnfurnituremark.com. And if you're enjoying this content, please like, follow, and ring the bell if you want to be notified of additional videos that we post several times a month.